guys, I'm Carly Solander, also known as the Flower Chef, and I have been challenged by Tastemade Home to create 3 beautiful arrangements under $40 using grocery store flowers. $5. I'm definitely getting these white ranunculus. They're so beautiful, and these are pretty large. You want them to be fairly closed, but they'll open really well. So these are $1.50, which is a score. So I'm gonna just stock up on these. I'm gonna get 5 because odd numbers. So many pretty flowers, and I pretty much paid for this budget. I'm pretty lazy, so I don't keep a lot of supplies in my own home, and you probably don't either. I do keep a pair of clippers. These are just floral clippers. You could use pruners, anything like that. Okay, arrangement number 1 are monochromatic white. So all white is just a good go-to, and so many flowers come in white. It's classic, it's unisex, you really can't go wrong. So we have the hydrangea, the stock, and the ranunculus, which are everyone's favorite. Now, hydrangeas drink through their petals. Most people don't know that, and that is probably my number 1 tip. So we're going to run these under the faucet. So I'm cutting the stems. Let me show you. I'm cutting the stems at an angle, and then I'm going to run it under. So I'm just gonna cut it an inch more because you want it to take up the space. All right, that is better. Just like that. A little bit different heights. I can always flip it around like that, make it a little. Okay, next up is stock. So I am creating a lot of texture, and I'm going to place this in between the hydrangeas and then also through the hydrangea. Hydrangeas have a natural grid to them, so you can just put it through. So I like to cluster a few together just for impact. And you can put the ones in the center a little bit lower. That's just if you want something a little bit. For rustic arrangements, I'll start with the greenery first and then add in the flowers at different lengths. I'm super excited for our last one because there's daffodils and they're cute and I never really use them, so this will be fun. I'm going to give them all fresh cut. Same with the sunflowers. That's all that is required. Very little prep, which we love, and then we'll arrange it all. Voila! That only took like 2 broken rubber bands and some MacGyvering. So here we have it, and it really only took 30 minutes, like basically because I plopped them in and zhuzhed them up. So this is my Tastemade challenge complete. I hope you liked it and that you learned a lot. And I am lucky enough to place these all around my home. So let's go do that. Thank you for joining me, and thank you, Tastemade, for